Okay, what is up with this lighting? I try to use natural lighting and it's just not working out. But anyways, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I filmed this colorful eye makeup look. I know I've been gone for a while, but I wanted to come back and do something fun and creative. So I'm gonna stop talking now and play the video. I'm doing a voiceover, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is apply chapstick, and I'm using Carmex in the cherry flavor. Then I'm going to use my Goof Proof brow pencil by Benefit in the shade number 4 and fill in my eyebrows. Next, taking my Tarte Shape tape in the shade Light Medium and this small concealer brush, I'm going to carve out my brows, and I'm also going to use the same concealer as a primer for my eyelids. Now taking my CoverFx Perfect Setting Powder, I'm going to set that concealer on my eyelids just to get it ready for the eyeshadows. Now taking my Morphe 39A, I'm going to take this light orangey shade and I'm going to blend that into the crease from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, going in with that 4th shade in the same row, I'm going to put that a little bit lower just so we have that transition between shades. To further deepen out the crease, I'm going to take that orange shade and I'm going to blend that in the outer V, focusing it in the outer V and also dragging it into the inner corners as well. For the pop of color, I'm going to take this pinkish purple shade and I'm going to focus that in that outer corner and then also drag that into the crease. Going in with the second blending brush, I'm going to blend the pink shade in the orange just so we have that nice blend. Then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape tape again and I'm going to do a half cut crease and I'm going to carve out my eyelid. Now I'm going to blend out the edges of that concealer just so everything's nice and blended. Then I'm going to take this teal shimmer shade and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take this Essence waterproof eyeliner and line my lash line. For mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Collossal in the shade Blackest Black, and for lashes, I'm using the Lash Label. I'm not sure what style they are, but I'll list them down below in the description box for you. For my moisturizers, I'll be mixing Neutrogena Oil Free Moisturizer and the MAC Strobe Cream. Then I'm going to take my Benefit Porefessional as my primer and put that in my T-zone. For foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 290. And I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Of course, taking my Tarte Shape tape under my eyes and just anywhere around my face that I want to highlight, and I'm also going to blend that out with my beauty sponge as well. Using again that same CoverFx powder, I'm going to press that under my eyes, and also I'm going to use it all over my face just to set. For contour, I'm going to take the lightest shade in this NYX contour palette, and I'm going to contour my cheeks and also my forehead and my jawline. For highlight, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. You guys, this highlight is so amazing. If you don't have it, you need it. It's so blinding. I don't even need Fix Plus. I'm just obsessed. Moving on to blush, I'm taking the lightest shade in this E.L.F. blush palette, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. For lips, I'm taking Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton, and I'm just going to fill in my lips. Then last but not least, I'm going to take the Essence Make Me Brow brow gel, and that should be all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my videos to come.